Okay, good morning, everyone. We're going to be talking specially on SAT today and completely on math section. As we have said earlier, SAT is an exam taken 7 times in a year. We have the month of March, May, June, August, October, November, and December. And apart from this, we are going to be focusing especially on the section of SAT. SAT comprises of math and English section. The English is called reading and writing section as well. And the sections are divided as well into two modules with 27 questions each. The exam itself takes a total time of 2 hours 14 minutes. 64 minutes for English and 70 minutes for mathematics. That is how it is divided. Let's quickly go or dive into math section of SAT. The math section is also divided into two modules comprising 22 questions each. Module 1, module 2, 35 minutes in each. 35 minutes in each. Students are expected to take at least or at most 1 minute 30 seconds to 1 minute 35 seconds per one question. So every question should take you 1 minute 35 seconds or at most 1 minute 35 seconds. So what are we going to talk about majorly today under the math section is how to bring our students together and let our students in the whole world know the number of contacts they will be having when they have us as a tutor. The school here calls Great and Standard Tutor, well incorporated with the federal government of Nigeria, having an account with GT Bank, First Bank and Wema Bank, our corporate account bank holding. Now, we'll be talking, if any of these three is not the bank sent to you, it is not from our company. Yet, we talk about the contacts given to our students. We have minimum of 8 contacts in a month. Minimum of 8 contacts in a month. Minimum of 8 contacts in a month. That is 2 contacts per week. 2 contacts per week. Minimum of 8 contacts monthly at time. Let me just say 8 to 10 contacts, but minimum of 8 to 10 contacts in a month. 2 contacts per week times 4 or times 5, depending on the number of weeks in that month. So what are these contacts entails? In the first contact, we do the general overview. Of SAT. General overview of SAT. Then we discuss things we have just said now concerning the structure of the exam, the type of question, everything. You get to know it under general overview. And then we move quickly to topics involved under mathematics. As I've told you, each of the mathematics section contains 22 questions, both module 1 and module 2, and you are expected to spend 70 minutes for the 2 sections. So 35 minutes here, 35 minutes here. Per each question, you are expected to spend 1 minute 30 to 35 seconds. So 1 minute 30 to 35 seconds. So 1 minute 35 seconds. 1 minute 35 seconds or 1 minute 35 seconds. So you can't, if you spend above this, at the end of the day you may be surcharging yourself per 22 questions in mathematics section. Now the first contact, we talk about general overview of the whole SAT, and majorly or mainly the math section. So we talk majorly on the math section. Now let's quickly move to the contact 2, the second contact for our students. Contact online, the second contact for our students. We'll be telling them about the topics involved in mathematics. Topics in mathematics, topics in SAT maths. So what are those topics? Then you get to know more about algebra, get to know more about advanced maths, get to know more about problem solving and data analysis. I get to know more about geometry and trigonometry. So these are 4. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. This together, this together. So you get to know more about geometry and trigonometry. That is the second contact. First contact, general overview. If we had time to talk about this in the contact as well. So the second contact will introduce you to these 4, and we take we take algebra and advanced math in the second contact. Second part will let you know the topics involved under math, and we take 2 of this topic seriously that day, algebra and math. The third contact for our students. I told you we have 8 contacts. I want to analyze the 8 for you. The third contact for our student, one-on-one or online, we have them knowing exercise on this. Exercise. We run exercises on algebra and advanced maths. So we run exercises on algebra and advanced maths. And here we do nothing less than 20 to 50 questions. Samples and exercise. So sample questions and exercise. Nothing less, minimum of 20 to 50 maximum in that class of 2 hours. And per contact is 2 hours. Don't forget, per contact is 2 hours. Per contact is 2 hours. Per contact is 2 hours. So yeah, these are things you gain in the class. And in the fourth contact, contact number 4. Don't forget contact number 1. We do the general overview of the study, and if possible, we introduce you to the topics necessary under mathematics. And if you are unable to get here after the general overview, because in the general overview, the structure, the type of exam, how it takes place, what and what to know, everything, introductory section will be done here. General overview, that's introduction. Second contact, we talk about the topics involved in mathematics, and then we pick 2 of the topics, which is advanced and algebra. Advanced math and algebra, we pieces it. And in the third contact with you, you get to know how to solve questions. Plenty questions, as much as up to 20 to 50 questions on algebra and advanced mathematics. Good. In the fourth section now, we tell you more about problem solving. Problem solving and data analysis. Problem solving and data analysis. And again, we talk about geometry / trigonometry for you. These are the 4 contexts of SAT maths. So after we have discussed this in the 4th contact, in the 5th contact with you as a client or as our students, in the 5th contact, we run exercises on problem solving, data analysis, and geometry, trigonometry. Exercises on problem solving and data analysis, and geometry and trigonometry, up to 20 question or 50 questions, minimum of 20 to 50 questions. Samples and exercise on problem solving and data analysis. And in the sixth contact, we do summary of all the topics or sectional topics as we have said. We do the summary. Luckily, in the seventh contact, you do practice. You practice your blue book. Practice blue book. You use your BB.